Hey, it's Misty with Behold Beauty Boutique. Today we're doing a live flash sale. If you see something that you like, just follow the link in the description and go and find your item, place it in your cart and purchase it. And remember, we have a payment plan, which is called Klarna. You can check out with that. Have a great day. This is a 15 color eyeshadow palette, and the name is Sundown. It's got a lot of your brown tones. And the price on this is $10. So if you like it, go add it to your cart. This eyeshadow palette is called All We Have Is Now by Makeup Obsession. It's 15 bright colors, and the price tag on this is $12. This eyeshadow palette is called Ultimate Pink. It's 9 shades of pink nudes, and the price is $8. This is 25 shades of Neon Brights by Beauty Trends, and the price tag is $8. This one's called Tropical Heat by Color Story. It's 9 tropical shades, and they're highly pigmented. The price tag is $8. We have Beauty Exposed 24 shade eyeshadow palette. The price tag is $10. We have Garnier Color Sensation California Sunset hair color in the color of Coral Pink, and this is $5. We have Infinity Pro by Conair. It's Curl Secret. It curls your hair. We have one available. Regularly $74.99. Today's sale $24.99. We have a heated eyelash curler, 24 hours long lasting, anti-scalding, and safe to use. Amazing natural eyelash curling. And we have 3 of these available, and the price is $18 each. Normally this is $18, on sale today for $15. We have Catrice Filter in a Box Photo Perfect Finishing Palette. The price tag is $8, and we have 2 available. Next up is Beauty Concepts Foundation Primer, Color Correcting Formula, and it's $5. We have True Beauty Pro Metallics Highlighting Set. It's a set of 3, and it's $8, and I have 2 available. We have Colorista. It's a 1-day hair color for blondes and highlighted hair. I have 3 available. This is by L'Oreal Paris, and they're $3. We have a black leather Ipsy makeup bag. It's 2-sided, and they're $3. We have a 3-toned Ipsy makeup bag, leather, for $3. We have a burgundy and gold Ipsy soft makeup bag for $3. We have a soft fuzzy pink Ipsy makeup bag for $3. Next up, we have Birthday Blast 21 shade eyeshadow palette, and the price tag is $10. Lastly, we have Sea Color Fairy Tale palettes at 18 color eyeshadow palette. Very pretty bright pigmented shades. The price tag for this one is $10. And that's it. That wraps up the sale. If you see anything you like, feel free to go to the link provided and add your items and check out. And remember to choose your shipping. Have a great day. Thanks, guys.